Scuvvers. How you could effortlessly switch between pristine car seats and durable protection? What if your car's upholstery could adapt as easily as you do? Enter Scuvvers, the ultimate car seat solution for active individuals. Imagine having seat covers that vanish when unnecessary and swiftly shield your seats when needed. It's like having a chameleon for your car's interior. Whether you're clean or covered in adventure, Scuvvers has got you covered. And the best part? These innovative seat covers are always within arm's reach, ready to transform your driving experience. Elevate your car game with Scuvvers, where versatility meets style. Air jack. How racing teams lift their heavy cars with lightning speed during pit stops? Meet the air jack, the secret weapon behind rapid tire changes and maintenance. Can you believe these compact devices can effortlessly lift a massive 1.6 tons? And the best part, they're directly mounted on the car, saving valuable time. No more struggling with manual jacks or heavy machinery. With a pressure of 8 bar, they can be powered by a standard workshop compressor. Plus, these aluminum powerhouses boast an impressive 25 centimeters overlifting height. Discover how these lightweight champions revolutionize the racing world for $2,700. US flash drive. Ever thought your flash drive could be as sleek as your car's logo? Meet the US flash drive, a compact powerhouse at just 2.2 by 1.8 centimeters. But what sets it apart? It's as flat as a button. No more worrying about accidental breakage, even under the longest heels. With water protection rated at IPX7, your data stays safe. And the best part? It perfectly complements your style. Choose from memory options ranging from 8 to 64 gigabytes. Isn't it intriguing how such a tiny gadget can pack so much convenience and sophistication? Sono Solar. Imagine cars that recharge themselves, refrigerated trucks using 50% less energy, and buses with lower ticket prices. It's not a dream, it's Sono Solar's reality. These solar panels can be installed on any vehicle's roof, seamlessly integrating without spoiling the design. Passengers can travel an extra 245 kilometers per week thanks to this innovative technology. The European Commission has granted around $1.6 million to this groundbreaking project. Renowned companies like Scania and Shiro are already embracing this game-changing solar solution. Get ready for a greener and more sustainable future with Sono Solar. Lego brushes. How you could effortlessly clean your car's interior and rims, even in the tightest spots? Enter Lego brushes, a popular set with nearly 9,000 orders and 5,000 reviews. Perfect for dry cleaning, they swiftly tackle dirt, including on carpets. But here's the kicker. They come at just $8 a set. In typical stores, that sum might get you only one of the 3 nozzles. So, are these Lego brushes the secret to a spotless ride on a budget? Disklok. Ever wondered if there's a surefire way to protect your pickup truck from theft? Say hello to Disklok. With over 48,000 Chevrolet Silverado and Ford F-Series trucks stolen in 2021, this lock seems like a formidable solution. But is its $177 price tag worth it? Inspired by the founder's own car theft experience, this lock has gained a stellar reputation and numerous awards. One customer even joked that only a nuclear weapon could break it. Quick to install, weighing 4.5 kilograms, and available in various sizes, Disklok's presence alone is enough to send a clear message to potential thieves. Is this the ultimate truck safeguard? Autometer. Ever thought of a device that could measure your car's inclination, display speed, altitude, and even provide precise GPS coordinates? Meet Autometer, It's a game changer for off-road enthusiasts and anyone who loves precision. With built-in GPS and an electronic compass, this gadget becomes your ultimate navigation and measurement tool. Whether you're tackling rough terrains or seeking accurate data, Autometer's got you covered. No more guessing, just exact information at your fingertips. Kelderman Air Suspension. Ever wished your SUV could conquer off-road obstacles with ease? Introducing Kelderman Air Suspension, the ultimate upgrade for your vehicle's capabilities. With an incredible 25 centimeters of upward travel and 10 centimeters of downward travel, you'll navigate challenging terrains like a pro. But it's not just for off-road adventures. Even everyday maneuvers will be a breeze, including parking in tight spaces. Designed to cater to various needs, from daily commutes to winter adventures, this suspension system is compatible with Ford F-Series, some Mercedes and Ram models. Elevate your SUV's performance for just $5,000. Lisen Car Phone Holder. Looking for the perfect phone holder for your car? Meet Lisen Car Phone Holder, designed to elevate your driving experience. With an extension arm and flexible angle adjustment, you can create a comfortable and refreshing atmosphere that suits your car best. It offers upgraded phone protection with a stable steel hook and powerful clamping force. Equipped with anti-slip and scratch rubber pads, it safeguards your phone and the car vent. Whether your vent is horizontal or vertical, this phone holder has you covered. Say goodbye to common compatibility issues and enjoy a smooth and worry-free journey with a Lisen Car Phone Holder. Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. Looking for a way to elevate your car journey entertainment? Say hello to Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder, the solution you've been waiting for. But here's the twist. Did you know this holder comes with a biaxial extension arm for a customizable view distance and shared entertainment between seats? No tools needed, just quick installation and 360-degree rotation. Say goodbye to strained necks and slipping tablets. Elevate your travel experience with Lamicall, the ultimate car tablet holder for seamless and enjoyable journeys with your loved ones. RSI SMARTCANOPY. Introducing the RSI SMARTCANOPY, a game changer for your outdoor and delivery needs. What makes it stand out? Its unmatched convenience and compact design, comprising just 5 pieces, a first in the market. Stay organized with the user-friendly setup and enjoy easy access with the go-all-wings sidewalls. Need to carry tents, bicycles, or other items securely? The top rails have got you covered. The Evo A version weighs only 75 kilograms, but can handle up to 350 kilograms. From campsites to delivery services, the RSI SMARTCANOPY has you covered. Upgrade your experience with this versatile and reliable solution, starting at $4,200. Air Cruiser. Discover the Air Cruiser, a game-changing rooftop tent that's redefining camping. With its self-assembling technology and lightweight design, it's a perfect fit for any vehicle. Say goodbye to cramped spaces. The Air Cruiser boasts record-breaking cabin room, providing an exceptionally spacious interior for you and your fellow adventurers. Camping has never been this convenient and comfortable, giving you more time to enjoy the great outdoors and create unforgettable memories. Upgrade your camping experience with the Air Cruiser and enjoy a spacious and comfortable sanctuary on your rooftop escapades. BAL Hide-A-Spare. Tired of the spare wheel taking up valuable space in your motorhome? Check out the BAL Hide-A-Spare, a clever solution to store your spare wheel conveniently beneath your vehicle. No more sacrificing interior space for a spare wheel. This practical system features a sturdy steel bracket, a secure locking mechanism, and a platform to hold the wheel. Say goodbye to the storage dilemma and hello to more room for what matters. Get the BAL Hide-A-Spare today for just $225 and make the most of your motorhome space. Air Quality Monitor. Concerned about the air you breathe in your car? Meet the Temtop PM 2.5 Monitor S1, your ultimate solution for monitoring air quality. Ever wondered what's really in the air you're breathing? With its built-in laser particle sensor, this monitor doesn't just measure temperature and humidity. It detects air quality, including harmful PM 2.5 levels. Stay informed and take control of your environment. Plus, it's energy efficient, boasting an original algorithm that cuts energy consumption by 80%. Breathe easy and enjoy up to 30 days of standby time. Upgrade your car's air quality with the Temtop PM 2.5 Monitor S1 today.